We are what's called a Children's Advocacy Center, which means that we offer services and coordinate services through one central clearinghouse, from a forensic interview to establish a record of what has happened, to having a medical exam to make sure that the bodies are okay, to looking after their mental health. How are they doing? Do we need to do an assessment? Is there therapy that's needed? We really are focused on the outcome for the child and the hope the child and the family can move beyond the trauma to a place of healing, so kids can go back to being kids.